Matt, and I was over at my friend Patrick's house today, and we had a conversation about the different engines. He collects a lot of Marklin. He has a large Marklin collection, larger than mine. But we're talking about the different sound engines and which whistles we like the best. And I was going to show you and him the ones that I like the best. And we'll just take a look quick here. The engines I have out here are the few of the newer ones that I showed in my last video. But I've got the BR1, BRG, BR05 Streamliner, BR45, the Toy Fair one, BR50, which is one of the collector ones, the big box, 37816. And then one of my favorite sounds is this little one right here, and he is the 39024. So let's take a quick little listen of the different ones. Here's the this big guy, the BR05. His whistle has a really good sound card in it. It's really loud. The BR1, I actually have two of these engines. And these engines have a lot of sound functions, as you can kind of hear in the background. Steam letting off and all different types of braking and things like that. But this is just pretty much just about the sound. And here's the Flying Hamburger, which I really like. It has a nice little horn on it. And bear with me here while I get over to another engine. Okay, this is the BR50. Has a really loud sound, really good, and has the bell. And my other BR50 has the bell as well, but it's the gear's locked up, and I sent it back to Groppenheim, Germany, to get it fixed. And then this is the little one. And I have a couple other versions of this. I have the Prussian version, and I have the Italian version of this. But those ones don't have sound. This one does. I just think that's a really good horn on it, or whistle on that one. And that was actually one of my first sound engines. That little guy right there. Okay, this Baden engine up here, it has a little sound. Pretty good one. And then this BRG one right over here. So it's a little bit different on a lot of them. But I really like the one that has the bell, my BR50, and then the big engines have a real strong whistle sound, the BR45 and the BR05 there. And that black one's newer than the maroon one. It has a better sound card in it, I think, because it's newer. That's just a little quick video. I hope you enjoyed that. Just the different whistles some of the engines have.